Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove a green screen and replace it using Capcut PC. Start by opening up Capcut PC and upload a green screen video and another video you want as background. Then drag the videos onto the edit line. For this tutorial, I used one with subscribe, like, and share, with two ninjas jumping over them, as you can see here, and also my last tutorial as a background video. Now, to remove the green screen and replace it by something else, select the green screen video and go to Smart Tools. In the Smart Tools, select Remove Background. When done so, you get two options: Auto Removal, which removes your background automatically, and Chroma Key, where you can select the background color and it will delete that color everywhere in the video. Auto Removal takes a while to load and is not that precise, so I always use the Chroma Key option. When you select the Chroma Key option, you get a color picker. If I select green with the color picker, you will see the green screen disappear. You can also do this with normal videos, but those are very hard if you have all kinds of colors. As you can see, the green screen is gone, and my last tutorial is the new background. Thanks for watching and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.